Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
So stay out of it. It's not your problem. You already cleared your name. You already cleared your name.
She called me name, but tell me after she come chat Maka with me, she called back me name to Maka. I same thing she do Maka. She Maka and I call up the man name, and then she carry back Maka name and make the people meet Maka. The girl wicked. She said, me outside. So me outside for money for her son, and she said, she not the money. I said, oh yeah, parent Maka not the money. And it was a lie. As soon as come start chat say, Maka black girl 150 per show and blah blah blah. The girl are wicked now. The two of them there is true though. I chat the man, and then the next Sunday go back with the news to the man. I make the girl get beaten, and then she'll come on live now. And I talk about the girl a lie, the girl will get one lick, the girl go sorry, and the girl did this. And never goes up. She's the one that care about the news and make the whole thing just like what she do with me. She come out the house and she talk the girl, and then she go back and go tell the girl, say me attack her. She can't do them thing, man. When Maka confront her in front of me, because when Maka did, Maka called me, with her, in front of her, and she couldn't say nothing, because she know it was her lie. But yet still, when she go up on the live yesterday, she said, lady, and go back to Maka. You see? Like she forgot, say, when she go tell Maka, say me a chatter, like Maka never call me over the hotel with her in front of me. No, me just say something, and me I say, could I come forth and talk about that one? Because, like you said, the subject was about real. The subject was about real. That's all we are saying. And yes, it could have dealt with a little better. She could have, if she got out of the store, she should have. And then that's the problem I'll let this go because none of them now come talk the truth.
My people, I just presented to you pieces of videos that are from a live recording that had been done on social media. And during that live recording, two females had a conversation. One of those females goes by the name of Lady Ann. Lady Ann is a veteran musician, and I cannot quite remember the other female's name. However, during the live recording, Lady Ann talked about some things that a female who goes by the name of Sandy Star said in a video that is circulating on social media. She also talked about Maka Diamond as well in the entire live recording that I saw. Now, basically, Lady Ann talked about an alleged incident that both Maka Diamond and Sandy Star talked about in previous videos, where it is said that Maka Diamond claims that a musician hit her with a piece of board repeatedly. See? So my people, just make you hear these things that Lady Ann said. In my point of view, Lady Ann said something that gave me the understanding that she's saying that both Maka Diamond and Sandy Star now tell the truth. You see? So my people, let me know what you think. And I hear some I go left it. So until the next time, I'm in the Dancehall Skilla. I'm big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.